I am Harish. I am from Assam, graduated in the year 2022 from Triple E background with a CGPA of 8.9 from Rajasthan Institute of Technology. I have joined JSpiders on August 4th, and as I am from core department, it was difficult for me to learning a coding language, and that is the reason why I came here and skilled up myself and got placed in a company called Capgemini with a package of 4 LPA. When it comes to the faculties and the HR department, they are too good and they are supportive for you to throughout the process of the interview, and the lectures been here are too good, and the HR department will keep you on updating the process, and they will look upon you, and I would like to thank all the faculties and HR department, and those who have been looking for jobs in IT sectors. I would like to suggest you people to come here and skill up yourself and get this soon. Thank you. I would like to thank JSpiders Hebbal.